Hello, and welcome to your next lesson. Today we will review the Network Days function as well as the Network Days International function. You can use these features to return the number of days between two dates minus the weekends and holidays. The International feature will allow you to even specify your weekends, as this video will demonstrate. Please open the Date and Time workbook and go to the Network tab to follow along in this lesson. Okay, so the formulas on your screen represents the formulas we'll be using today. Formula number 1 will return the count of days between the start and the end date, excluding weekends and specified holidays. Formula number 2 will return the count between the start and end date, excluding custom weekends and specified holidays. Let's go ahead and plug our formulas and take a look at this lesson. So here we are on our spreadsheet. The holiday date list provided in column B will be factored into our formula. This will notify Excel that we would like to exclude these dates when calculating our network days. We'll hide the list as we learned in the previous lesson so it does not remain visible. Let's begin by selecting column G6. Let's go ahead and type equal, and let's go ahead and type network days. You can go ahead and select it as it begins to populate. Okay, let's go ahead and add an opening parenthesis. Let's select cell E6. Let's place a comma. Let's select cell F6 and place another comma. Now we're going to go ahead and include our holiday list. Let's select cell B3 and let's simply drag it all the way down to B20. Okay, so let's go ahead and close our parenthesis and say enter. So the network days between the two dates provided is 10. Next, we're going to go ahead and do an autofill. Let's select cell G6. Let's go ahead and get our black cross as we hover. Let's go ahead and drag it all the way down to cell G14. So now what you're left with are the work days between the specified dates minus the weekend and the holidays. I want to go ahead and hide this list. Let's go ahead and select cell A and B. Let's go ahead and do a right click. And let's go ahead and simply say hide. This way our list is not visible. Okay, so next we're going to work on the international feature. Let's begin by going to cell L6. Okay, let's type equal. Let's go ahead and type network days. Let's select Network International as it starts to populate. Okay, let's place an opening parenthesis and select cell J6. Let's place a comma and select cell K6. Let's place another comma. So as you look at Network Days International, you will see a hyperlink for start date, end date, and weekends. Let's go ahead and select the hyperlink for weekends. Now this should provide a drop down. This is asking you, how do you want to specify your weekend? I'm going to select Sunday only. Let's go ahead and select Sunday or type the number 11. Okay, next let's add a comma. Then we'll go ahead and add our holiday list. That array is B3 to B20. Let's make sure to put a colon between B3 and B20. Let's go ahead and close the parenthesis and say enter. Okay, and we are left with 12 days between the first two dates. Okay, so next let's go ahead and do an autofill. Let's go ahead and select cell L6 again. Let's get our black cross as we hover. Let's left click and simply drag it all the way down to cell L14. Alright, so let's go ahead and review our information. As we look at the brainstorm team for Network Days versus Network International, we have 23 and 28. Milestone 2 has 72 and 86. Milestone 4 has 22 and 26. and presenter management has 3 and 3. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap up the lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Congrats, you have completed another video. I am very proud of you and the progress that you are making. You are doing a great job, and I look forward to seeing you in our next level up lesson video.